That's it. That's it.
Hello, Zuko here.
I fall asleep by the telephone. It's 2 o'clock and I'm waiting up alone. Tell me, where have you been?
I knew you wouldn't understand.
I found a note with another name. You blow a kiss but it just don't feel the same. Cause I can feel that you're gone.
But right now I'm just a little
I
confused.
can't bite my tongue forever while you try to play it cool. You can hide behind your stories, but don't take me for a fool. You can tell me that there's nobody else. You can tell me that you're home by yourself. You can look into my eyes and pretend all you want, but I know your love is just a lie. It's nothing but a lie.
We need to be stealthy and make sure no one spots us.
You look so innocent, but the guilt in your voice gives you away. Yeah, you know what I mean. How does it feel when you kiss, when you know that I trust you? And do you think about me when he fucks you?
What are you doing?
Could you be
Hey,
more
you're awake.
obscene? So don't try to say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Try to make it right. And don't waste your breath because it's too late. It's too late. You can tell me that there's nobody else.
That's ridiculous.
Tell me that you're home.
I waited out here all night. I'm worried about Aang.
He's gonna come back.
Look into my eyes and pretend all you want, but
What's with her? I wish I knew.